Hi, welcome to the Crafty Manatee. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a foundation chain. This is the second episode of my Crochet for Beginners playlist here on the channel, and it's designed to show you step by step how to crochet for absolute beginners. Before we get started today, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more crochet patterns and tutorials, and share this video with a friend who you think might also like learning how to crochet. For today's tutorial, all you are going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. Today I'm using worsted weight yarn. You can use whatever yarn you would like. And on our yarn, it's going to show us what crochet hook we need to use. So in this case, my yarn shows me right here that we need a USI or a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook, which is exactly what I have today. So go ahead and just grab some yarn and a corresponding crochet hook. We're starting off the foundation chain with a slip knot on to our crochet hook. In episode 1, I showed you how to make a slip knot, so if you're not familiar, make sure to go back and watch that video so that you can secure your yarn onto your hook. Now to make a chain, we are simply going to yarn over and pull through. And yarning over in crochet is just wrapping our yarn around the back into the front like that. So we are going to take our working yarn, which is the side that is still attached to our yarn ball, not this side that has been cut off. Make sure you are grabbing the right strand of yarn. And we're going to wrap it around the back of the hook. Grab that yarn with our crochet hook there. You can see you can grab it just like that. And we're going to pull it through that slip knot that was on our hook. And now we have one chain completed. To repeat that, again, we're just going to wrap around the back, over to the front like this, grab it with our hook. I find that giving it a little twist helps it really sink into the groove there and make it easy to pull through. And you want to keep your tension nice and loose, but not too loose, of course. But beginner crocheters do tend to crochet really tight. So I would say err on the side of going a little too loose in the beginning than going too tight. And we're just going to continue doing this, wrapping around and pulling through until our desired amount of chains. If you're following a pattern, it will tell you to chain a certain amount of stitches before you get started for your foundation row. And you're just going to chain however many the pattern tells you to do. This also applies if you come across a chain 1 in a pattern. Oftentimes after a single crochet row, it's going to tell you to chain 1 and turn your work. And we're just going to do the same exact thing for that chain 1. Yarning over and pulling through. So anytime you see your crochet pattern say to make a chain, this is all we are doing. And as you can see, eventually we are going to get a lot of these nice little chain stitches that we will continue to work in for the rest of our pattern. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make a chain in crochet. Make sure to stick around for all of the other beginner-friendly tutorials coming soon so that you can start on your very first crochet project. Thanks for watching. Bye.